Hey love bugs, welcome back to the channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be slaying this beautiful wig from start to finish. Now this is a simple slay. This was a simple 13x6 lace wig in the texture straight, so you know it was simple and to the point, but we did have a little bit of fun. You guys know that we don't pluck and tweeze on this channel that often, but I did open up the parting a little bit. Like, I'm not saying you should never pluck and tweeze, you should just know how to finesse when you don't feel like it. So yeah, I kind of went in, opened up a little bit. Of course you can do more, but we did the plucking, the tweezing, cut the lace, installed the wig glueless, as well as styled the hair with some nice body to it. This is straight hair, so you guys know straight hair typically is less likely to hold a tight curl opposed to body wave, but we did want to give it some movement, and I think we executed it. Saw the assignment, executed it. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and all the deets on this wig from Dola Hair, keep on watching. Also, thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know you're part of the tribe. Now let's jump into the video. This is the wig here, and as you guys know, I like to give you guys a look at the inside construction of the cap. This is a 13x6 lace wig, and as you guys can see, ear to ear there's 13, so from here to here there's 13 inches of lace, and then from here to here there is 6 inches of parting space, so your part will go back by 6 inches. But be very clear that you do not get the full 6 inches like over here on the sides. You get it mainly in the center, so you'll definitely be able to do a center part as well as a side part. You just won't be able to do like a deep side part. As I already mentioned, this is a straight wig, and I kind of feel like it's a little full. Be sure to check the description box for details on the wig. Also, it did come with a elastic band, and this is the new age kind, the adjustable. So inside of our box, before we begin the install, are some goodies. They gave me one of these brushes. They also gave the edges wrap, the hairline wrap, the hair wrap, and it has their logo on it. A fresh baby hairbrush, wig caps, and then I'm gonna guess this is a wig stand. My hair, as I mentioned in the last video or two, has been hanging on. I went ahead and washed it and just made a decision just randomly to silk press it 2 Fridays ago. Today is Friday, so it's been in the press day for 2 weeks. I have not touched up the press, and as you guys can see, I just wrapped it up into a fake beehive situation so my wig will lay flat. And just that simple. You know, I got a little flat egg head, so mom life, working when you have 2 toddlers present with you. It's a blessing, but it's crazy. Okay, so this is what this one looks like on. You can definitely bleach the knots, and it definitely could use a good tweeze. This is what the parting space looks like. I feel like the install comes out a little bit better and neater when I clean up the hairline at the very beginning. So I'm going to use my Dynamic Duo, a wax, and the electric hot comb, which is actually heating up. And I'm just going to load this up along the parting. You guys see how there's a lot of volume down up here in the parting space? We don't want that because volume is good with real hair, but with wigs, curls, yes, but like you don't want your parting to be voluminous, because you see how puffy that looks. You want this part to be flat and laid. So you guys see we loaded on heavy and pretty generously. Okay, so we're going to use the electric hot comb to kind of press that in really good, and then we're going to cut off the excess lace and install the wig.
Yeah, look at me, I'm on. Yeah, look at me, I'm on. Yeah, look at me, can't stop. What? Look at me, I'm on. Look at me, I'm on. Look at me, I'm on. Look at me.
Okay, just want to show you the difference really quickly side by side. This is what I mean. Like when you wear a wig, you don't really want it to be puffy here. Like there's a time and a place for everything. If you're wearing a curly wig, it's nice if it's voluminous, but if it's straight, you really don't want this. This here, just making sure this is flat will make a huge difference in your install and whether it looks good or it looks terrible, because the hair can be literally bone straight, but if this is all puffy and stuff, it just looks a lot more wiggy. Let me know if I'm tripping or if you guys agree.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger all min tid, jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid, jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig, baby. Du bär på mina Bedeck så att när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig, baby. Hey, yeah. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig.
Okay, I thinned out the hairline just a little bit, and when I say a little bit, this is about the amount of hair I took out of the hairline. It's still all over the floor, but this is what I was able to gather so you guys can see. It only took me about maybe 10 minutes or so to do both sides, and of course you can do way more. I just don't find it necessary, but let's go ahead and cut off the excess lace and bond her down, and of course we're going glueless.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Sign me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, it's fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a...
Okay, the wig is installed. Whenever my wig is installed, I feel like my eyes go like this a little bit, like it feels tight, even though it's not a it's not glued down. It's like real glue. Now, don't pay attention necessarily to the hairline. If you follow my channel, then you know we've already talked about lace and different lace and how it looks on different complexions. This is transparent lace, or I believe it's transparent lace. I haven't looked at the specs on it, or they haven't sent me the specs on it, but I believe this is transparent lace, and the marker is the fact that the color is different. Whenever I compare other lace to transparent lace, you know, I always tell you guys it's the perfect mold or foundation for tinting the lace. So you can see that there, but you already know once I add a little bit of powder, that's going to cover that up right away. Subtle baby hair today, so I'm going to just do the 2 little peekaboos, one right here and then one on the other side to match. So let's do that really quickly, and then we can maybe straighten out the hair, silk press it, or should we add some curls? I'm gonna see how this one takes a curl. I'm gonna assume that it's not gonna take a curl, like a tight curl with my 1-inch curling iron, but it'll give it some, you know, Fair Fawcett body, hopefully.
You say it's special. One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry, that I'm no help.
Okay, so now it's time to curl. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there. This is the cheek iron guard, and we're gonna go ahead and see what we can get with this curling iron here. This is something that you should put on before you do the electric hot comb, but you guys know I always forget. I really don't have any style in mind. I just kind of want big curls that I can like comb out to make volume.
Yeah, in the stove, on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple bands on my own. Now all they wanna do is pay for it. They don't wanna see me get money, and they don't want nothing to do with peace. I jump up in that whip, they call police. I'm driving, yeah, I'm speeding on the leash. Yeah. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah.
Okay, I went ahead and let the curl set. Did my makeup, took a break. Gonna go ahead and add some concealer and powder.
Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone.
Again, this one is transparent lace, so you definitely will find that it does not match my complexion. Naturally, what I did up here was when I did my makeup, I didn't put all my makeup there, but when I got to my powder, I just naturally buffed the powder, which is something I typically do. It doesn't matter how well the lace blends or any of that. I almost always will make sure that I bring my powder into my hairline whenever I do my makeup and I am wearing a wig. Okay, really good look at the hairline. I think it looks beautiful. Curls came out beautiful. Exactly what I wanted. I just didn't want stiff straight hair. Kind of just wanted some body curls to kind of make the hair blow in the wind, if you will. And I think that looks good. You just kind of train it to do what you want it to do. I could continue to play with it, but you guys get the point. You can add a little bit more hairspray for a little bit of hold. Again, I wasn't looking for curls. I know that when you have straight hair, sometimes it's not gonna hold a curl as quick and easy as if you get body wave or any wavy texture for that matter. Straight hair typically just wants to stay straight, so you can definitely achieve curls. I would say go for a tighter barrel like a wand curler, or do pin curls and let them hold. Nonetheless, I am pleased with the way this one came out. You guys see we did some work to the hairline and I'm absolutely in love with the way it looks. For reference, I'm sure you've seen it if you get to this point, but we did take out a nice big chunk or hairballs worth of hair, and you can definitely do more work if you feel it necessary. But again, I just wanted something fun. I wonder how it would be if I put big flexi rods in it tonight, because again, I don't want curls. I want you see the body and the shape and the movement. That's all I want. This is a simple and easy look for the weekend. Very low maintenance. Natural, effortless beauty always trumps all. So if you just want to be incognito with a simple look, try to get the wave to hold a little bit better and keep it pushing. I'm Ashley Bedeck if you are tuning in for the first time. Don't forget to hit that comment section. We finally got the comments back. I'm not gonna stop saying it because I'm so excited. Go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys think of this one. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends. If you have some homegirls who need a couple tips and tricks on how to install their wig super simple and easy without using any glue for beginners, send them my way. I'm your girl, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.